Alright guys, we are in Virtual Stump because I am showing you a map what I reckon you and your friends should play. So, it is called Gorilla House, and then these are the people who made it. And then there's all pictures, and then basically there's like a monkey house for like mini games, like places where you can escape the taggers. Let's get it there. Obviously, there's like tortoise way. Right. It's like this. So there's that, and there's a hangout area like this. A cool hangout area, and there is like a tunnel here. I think it's just a tunnel. So if taggers come from down there, you can go here. And this is a secret area. This leads to the top of the house, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, never mind. Or at least the top of the floor. And then yeah. And there's this. And yeah, that is also cool, if you ask me. But if you come down here, and there, once you come down here, this is what me and my friends like to do. There's like different sides. There's banana ball, there's green drop, there's blue tornado, and there's inferno loop. And then the yellow one is like where you just like it's just like a massive like circle, and you go round and round and round. And then this is my favourite side. Well, my second favourite. My first favourite is green because it's fast, and basically it's like this. What?